tutorial, friends. Today we are going to see about screencasting software. In the website, there are many screencasting software available, but still, when we try those softwares, they add limitations to our recordings. The limitations may be sometimes time limited, or sometimes they may put their watermarks on our video. And when I was exploring for this screencasting software, which is absolutely free, I came across one interesting software, which is Flashback Pro Express. Very interesting. It gives 4 important options. It gives us to record our lessons in the laptop. It gives us to record our voice. It gives us to export as MP4. 4 options. The only thing they don't allow us to edit the video, which we can do it with another open source software named OpenShot Editor Video. Now, at present, I use Camtasia, which is a professional video editor and recorder, which costs too much. But now I will introduce you to a software which is absolutely free and equally good, like Camtasia. And the name of the screencasting software is Flashback Recorder Express. Okay. I copied this link. I will put the link in the description box. Okay, you can download it. So I copy that link and paste it in my browser. Press enter button. You will be taken to the Flashback Express screen. Now see, this is the Flashback products. So this is a professional, which if you want to buy it, you can buy it. Try for the free, then if you like it, you can try. You can buy it. There is a solutions, store, and help desk, downloads, buy, and below there is a try professional for free, which means it is free for 1 month. If you install this, you will get free for 1 month. Now you see, Flashback Express, this is what we want to install. Okay, the free screen recorder with advanced feature. Okay, see what are the features available. You can capture anywhere on the PC. You can use webcam. You can embed your audio. You can there is no watermark, no time limit, and you can share with your YouTube over time. Now what to do? Come below, and there are 2 options here. Screen recorder, Flashback Express, which see the limitations. You just go through it and click this. If you click this, and you will get an exe file here. After you get the exe file, install the exe file, and you will be taken to this icon, a symbol with the red icon. The green is the editor, and this is I have a professional one which I have purchased, and now you will be getting this red recorder, Flashback Recorder. At present, I am recording it with my Camtasia recorder. So this, if I open this, we'll get, see, license to Gurudev Rajan. So Flashback Pro 5. Fine. Now you see, this is the window which pops up when you open. Now you see, there are recordings here, time setter. You all just explore all those things. Okay, I won't be explaining all those things. You can simply explore all those things. Say there is settings. See, there is settings. You just explore. I will explain the basics. Now the 4 important options I will explain. This is the area. which means which area we want to record. For example, I have a PPT. If I have a PPT, I will open the PPT and record the entire full screen. So for which there are three things. If you want to record the full screen, you can record the full screen. If you want to record the region, one particular region, you can record, or the window. Okay, that's usually I record the full screen. So I keep it as full. Now microphone, I'm speaking through microphone and there is the wavelength. Okay, intensity is there. So I have kept full intensity. See to it that your voice never touches the end mark. If it touches, your voice will break up. So microphone. Fine. Now coming to PC. See, it is not enabled now. So if I enable PC, and you can see there is default PC speaker. What does it mean? See, when you are taking a lesson through PPT, if you want to show some YouTube link as a reference tool, then the students should get the voice from the YouTube. Otherwise, they will not be able to. If only when you make this enable, you can say demo it with an example. Okay, I'll go to the YouTube. Okay, I'll put some interesting. Those cartoons, I'll put this one. So something is magic or later, something interesting. So see, when I on it, see, you can see there is a recording. If I pause this video, there won't be any more. If I again on it, so there is a so I fine. Now it is for this reason we keep this PC sound enabled. Don't disable it. Keep this enabled so that you can use it for teach your students. And there is another option, web camera. By default, you will be having your web camera in the PC or the PC camera, which when you enable it, it will show you. So if you want to show your face in the window while recording, click this. You see, I will be shown. If I don't want it, disable it. Okay. Record from the web camera. If you have attached an extra camera on the laptop, you enable this one and it will show another picture here. At present, I don't have the web camera. It is my default PC camera which is recording. So I'm not comfortable with my web camera, so I just disable it. Now after this, you just click record. Okay. Now at present I will record. I will show what is this. I record. So time lapse, and this is the Flashback Pro 5 recorder, which has it is recording now. So you see the time is running out, 2-3 seconds, and this is the pause. This is the stop button. If you want to stop from the keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and yes button. So it will get stop. So there are various number of features are available. You can record, you cannot get it, but you can record your computer screen. You can give a voice to your lesson. You can even add your web camera and other features which are absolutely good. Even the clarity when compared to Zoom is 100% good. HD quality. It gives HD quality to our video. So fine. So this is the tutorial. This is I have spoken. So now if I stop, can you see? It will be asking. Now opening player. It will take a few minutes, few seconds. Now since it is my professional one, it goes for editing option. In that, if it is a free one, it won't go for this editing option. It will be asked to save. Now you save as, don't go simply save, go for save as. and it will ask different types of file. So save as here. Okay, you just save it. Open record. Sorry, there is an option export. So you just click export and fine. So here so for you all these options won't be available because it is I have purchased it. All these options are available to me, but for you this MPGE4 option will be available, and there is only one this and this option will be available. 2 and 3, these three options will be available. It is enough. Okay, you click MP4. Okay, click MP4 and see here there is a small marking. Okay, you can set the small marking. Okay. Now there's a small marking. Click it and press OK. Now export. It asks how to export. You want your video to appear. So I want search engine, frame rate, video and sound quality, product. So these are the options it asks, but in your case it won't ask all those things because it is a free version. So it will ask simply to export. You just export your video. So I will set our things. Okay. So usually keep this ratio 19:20. It is a good ratio for YouTube's. So when you click export, now it is getting exported. So by default it has folders. Now you just click save. You give a name. Just you give a name. I will give a name. Flashback tutorial. Flashback tutorial and just click save. Now it is preparing, exporting it as MP4. See? So the file it depends upon your the length of the video. If the length of the video is very short, it will take few minutes. If the length of the video is too long, it will take more time to export. Now it asks, do you want to view it? Yes. Okay, let us view it. See, now it is opening. It is recording now. So you see the time is running out, 2-3 seconds, and this is a pause. This is the stop button. If you want to stop, one more thing is by default the cursor is highlighted. The good option the Flashback Record Express gives is your Flashback is that is transparent mouse recorder is available for which is not even available in Camtasia. If we want this one, only we can do it in the editing options. But here Flashback Recorder gives it free for our keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift and yes button, so it will get stop. So there are various number of features are available. You can record, you cannot get it, but you can record your computer screen. You can give a voice to your lesson. You can even add your web camera and other features which are absolutely good. Even the clarity when compared to Zoom is 100% good. HD quality. It gives HD quality to our video. So fine. So this is the tutorial. This is I have spoken. So now if I stop. Okay, this is what our recording. So this is how we use our Flashback Pro 5 Express. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. We'll meet you in the next video about how to edit our video using OpenShot video editor, which is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, friends.